The time for one vibration of a pendulum at a given location is directly proportional to the square root of the length of the pendulum. Now, our first step is to determine type: direct, inverse, joint, or combo. Well, this one actually says directly proportional, so it's a direct variation. So this is direct. Typically, that's of the form y is equal to kx. Step 2, pick variables that make sense. Well, the time for one vibration of a pendulum at a given location is directly, that's the is where equals is. Time, t maybe? So t equals, and t is time, is directly proportional to the square root of the length of the pendulum. L for length maybe? And square root means we're going to have k and then the square root of L. Square root of the length of the pendulum, yep. And L will be our length. Step 3, look for your one example. If the time is 2 seconds when the length is 30, so telling us L is 30 and T is 2. So T is 2, and our telling length is 30. Okay, so one example. Use it to find K. Well, I'm going to get K by itself, so I can divide both sides by square root of 30. And square root of 30 is canceled there. Now I could, if I wanted to, simplify that, but we're going to be plugging it into our calculator anyway, so I'll leave it in that form. Then it says plug K into your formula. Well, the formula I'm referring to is from step 2. So this now becomes T is equal to K time, or wait a minute, we just found K, never mind. I'll wake up here eventually. K is 2 over square root of 30. Square root of L. Okay. Step 4, find what they really want. It says find a time, so find T when the length is 42. So we got T is equal to 2 over square root of 30 times the square root of 42. Let's plug this in our calculator. We got 2 divided by, and I'll do second x squared for the square root, and we'll put 30 in. If you got one of the newer TID4s, you just need to do right arrow key to get out of the radical, but I'm going to put a closing parentheses to close the square root, times, and then square root of 42. So second x squared, and then I'll put in 42. Enter. And I'll take it 2 decimal places, I guess, 2.37. And that'd be our answer.